How are you? Good? Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Hey, how are you? Ivory Coast.
And this is like a local restaurant.
This is a local restaurant.
Very cheap price food. The workers earning money very cheap.
Yeah.
They are eating very cheap.
Very cheap.
And to be honest, this side living cost is half than other
Oh,
side.
no, the other side, okay. So some people live here and they work in the city too.
Yeah. That's why you see so many boats they're crossing every time.
Okay.
So nearby, the living area of these people, like the slum, like the most poorest people of this area, they live.
That's good. Oh, okay. Assalamu alaikum. Africa.
Keraniganj is not just a single village. It is a large sub-district on the southern edge of Dhaka, made up of hundreds of villages with both rural and semi-urban characteristics.
Yeah.
It feels like a transition zone between city and the countrysides, easily connected to Dhaka by bridges and highways.
Nice. Africa. Africa.
This temple of
Africa. No, West Africa. Côte d'Ivoire, Ivory Coast. You know Ivory Coast? No? This is my country.
Bangladesh.
My country.
Bangladesh.
Yes. My home is Borisha. Borisha? Yeah. Borishalla. Borishal, yeah. Borishal. No. No. Bangladeshi. Bangladesh.
Yes.
Me. Bangladesh.
Bangladesh. All Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How are you, my friend? How are you? That's good. Oh, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. You want to be checked?
Hi.
How are you, my friend? Hi. Are you from Bangladesh?
Bangladesh.
You?
You.
No, I am from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay.
You?
You.
South Africa.
Bangladesh.
No, South Africa.
South Africa.
No, you South Africa.
South Africa.
You.
You.
Me Bangladesh. You South Africa.
You Bangladesh.
I said that to the guy the other day. He thought I was serious. He said no. He said no.
Be careful your head.
Oh yeah.
You already got it?
Yeah, he got me. It was too late. Oh, yeah.
So, like, this is a living area also for the people.
Oh, okay, the
This is
shipyard
totally
guy.
different.
Yeah.
These people are not rich, not middle class, like poor.
Yeah, okay.
Not
okay.
too poor, but poor.
Oh, okay. Well, you have more poor than this too?
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, this is like a shipyard worker mostly,
Yeah,
yeah?
should be a worker and the clothing factory.
And the clothing factory, yeah? Okay. Wow. Wow, the kids playing on the space, open place here. Wow. Assalamu alaikum.
You see, like every house,
Uh-huh.
I mean, every room
Hey,
for
how are
different-
you?
Different family.
Okay. It's good? All right. Hi. Yeah. Here, mostly the people who live there, they work in the shipyard, so that's the port, and that's where they live. Actually, yeah. Nice. Assalamu alaikum.
Chocolate.
Oh, good?
No chocolate. They say chocolate.
Oh, they want chocolate. Maybe European bring them chocolate, yeah?
Yeah.
I think that's what they used to.
बाबू एदिके आए पाखी धरे दिया Cara, ¿dónde está? He catch the bird, you see? They catch the bird.
Oh, the bird, yeah. How are you? Good?
You see here is totally different. No cars, no.
That's right. It's just just walking. Ah, okay. Assalamu alaikum.
See the right road, right.
Right here. Okay.
It's very like.
Oh, somebody's
narrow.
coming. Somebody coming.
Very narrow road.
Yeah, we are in a very tight street right now. Very, very tight. Hey, how are you? It's good? Yeah, Assalamu alaikum. Yes, I think she's the one
She's
who's coming.
blind,
Yeah.
so she's looking for the good way.
Yeah.
সোজা আসেন পুরা সোজা হ্যাঁ একটু দাঁড়ান একটু সতর্ক হন হ্যাঁ এবার যান একটু বামে হ্যাঁ এবার যান সোজা যান No, we don't go that way. Like I just swing.
Ah, okay. Oh, I thought we were going. Oops.
This is the true local area.
Oh, okay. Nice. So, but they it look like they're used to tourists, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
When they saw you, they will come to you. Hey,
Okay.
foreigner.
Okay.
Not even not me, you.
Oh, because I'm new.
Foreigner.
Salam alaikum. Salam.
Everyone come to you, see?
Salam alaikum.
See, right now, just 1 minute, so many people will listen.
Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. How are you? That's good. Salam alaikum. It's my tea right here. It's making my tea. Thank you. All right, thank you. Nice. How are you? You right? Say hi. Good. Hi. How are you? Good? Thank you. So anytime you come here, you bring candy with you, yeah? Yeah, because you know the routine, they will ask. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, that's a soup, yeah? Okay. So that's a big soup here. He's making soup for the local. Thank you.
See, the children is waiting for making.
Huh?
They are waiting to make it.
How are you? Good?
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. How are you? That's good? All right? Nice.
Villages here often maintain a close-knit social life, typical of rural Bangladesh.
Thank you.
The population is over 1 million, mostly Muslims, with small Hindu and other minority communities living side by side. It is family-based living with strong village traditions.
Hey, how are you? Good, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hmm? No, he got a candy. Hi. 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 How are you? How are you? Got candy here. All right, thank you. Yeah, we are going through the bamboo bridge right now.
Once upon a time, a river flowed under this man-made bridge.
Check this. I'm
But
on the bamboo
the transformation of a river into a dumping ground is a slow, suffocating process where a living ecosystem is replaced by an open-air landfill. It is a transition from transparency and movement to opacity and stagnation. It is because of the presence of many local clothing factories around, as I was told.
Well, what are they cleaning the lake, yeah?
Yeah, right now is cleaning the lake.
Okay, okay. Wow. Just 1 second. Okay, yeah.
Ready? 1,
2, 3. What did he get it? What did he get it?
He want to trying the pigeons.
Okay, okay.
That he's going back go home safely or not.
Ah.
Like he's trying.
Oh, that's his own pigeon.
He's own pigeon. He's trying to face that one.
But what happened if he loses it?
No worries.
You find another one.
Yeah, he find another one.
The water, once clear enough to reveal the stones and most of the riverbed, turned into a thick, opaque soup. Instead of reflecting the sky, the surface is choked by a carpet of waste. In a healthy river, the air is cool and smells of wet stone or greenery. But in a dumping ground, the atmosphere is heavy and visceral.
Let's walk a little bit because this is like food and furniture making area.
Oh, okay, okay.
And right now we are here in the clothing factory. This factory is famous for the local. Like this is not for the export import. This is for the local people. In export import factories, it's really tough to get inside as a foreigners.
Yeah.
So that's why you have a look because Bangladesh clothes is #1 in the world. We supply all over the world.
Yes, sir.
So let's have a look.
Thank you
See the
very much.
clothes Here, they're making in upstairs. They're
Okay.
selling in the shop. So every shop has different
A
company.
different company. Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
Keraniganj is largely informal garment hub, that meets approximately 70 to 80% of Bangladesh domestic demand for ready-made clothing, unlike the high compliance export factories in Gazipur or Sadar. It is known for thousands of small-scale units producing denim, shirt, and traditional wear for local and regional markets. There are many residents commute daily to Dhaka for work.
Alright. Alright. Have to go.
Alright guys,
Alright.
we have done our tour today. At first, I'm so sorry of mistake of mine because sometimes my English was so bad, and we start this tour at the morning time, and especially in our countries people are different. Like some people are so crazy, some people are very good, some people are like different kind of people. So from all I say to you sorry. So we can say goodbye, and if you want to come to Bangladesh again, you are invited to come in this country to visit. Welcome to Bangladesh.
Welcome to Bangladesh. And your English is perfect.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Your English is perfect. You don't have to worry about that. Wonderful time. He is a great guy. Our guy, his name is Ralph.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, guy. Have a good one. Bye. Africa.
Like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe because many more videos on the way. Thank you.